guys. Okay, so I'm going to keep this short and sweet. It's regarding just maybe clearing up a bit of confusion regarding the direction of my channel. I know, again, I'm changing courses. I try to do fun things on my channel, things that I enjoy, and I feel like mukbangs, story times, and weight loss, they don't mingle well together. So I honestly, if I'm being completely honest, without any filter, I find the weight loss material boring and tedious and just not something I'm into doing. And I'm sorry if that disappoints.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god, stop fucking lying.
Hi guys. Hi. Whatever. So today I have for you guys some Popeyes. Yeah. I've been out at appointments and blah blah blah. Mundane life stuff, you know. I'm so thirsty. So this is Diet Coke. So juicy and crunchy. So sure enough, like, uh-oh. A lot of the stories she mentioned, I had told you guys already.
I'm back home from Sonic, I'm home. Hello, I'm back home from Sonic, I'm home. Hello, and this is hot and steamy, cause we're eating for the first time Sonic edible style onion rings. Oh, I'm so... We put the cheese on. Oh, so excited. I love cheese. I love cheese. This is American cheese. Yes, I do. I love cheese. Oh. I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese. Yes, I do. Oh my god, that was so good. Bam! Oh my god.
And it's just like...
That's so gross.
It's literally so fucking good. Like, give me those fish eggs. Give me that fucking whale sperm in my mouth right now.
It's not gonna make me...
Yo, I don't eat fish anywhere.